portion of south-central Texas, including the following counties: Bandera, Bastrop, Bexar, Blanco, Burnett, Caldwell, Comal, Edwards, Gillespie, Guadalupe, Hayes, Kendall, Kerr, Kinney, Lee, Leno, Medina, Real, Travis, Uvalde, Val Verde, and Williamson. When? From 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening through Saturday afternoon. Impacts: 1 to 3 inches of rainfall with isolated amounts up to 5 inches. Excessive runoff may result in life-threatening flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations in the Hill Country and southern Edwards Plateau, as well as urban areas along the I-35 corridor. Additional details: http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.